Taxes is one of the most misunderstood topics. We all grew up thinking that taxes are super complicated and that some specialized knowledge was needed to calculate them. Or we thought that by merely making a mistake, the IRS will take everything you have and throw you in jail. You do go to the slammer if you refuse to pay taxes, but the IRS will work with you if you can't pay. Also, you could end up in legal trouble if you cheat or knowingly defraud the government. But not if you make a simple error that can be corrected. Hey everyone, I'm Josh Albayero, and today I want to tell you 5 reasons why you overpay taxes every year as a self-employed. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, and if you are on YouTube, click the alert notification to get notified when we go live. How many of you are self-employed? If you are a freelancer, sole proprietorship, Uber driver, contractor, subcontractor, receive a 1099 miscellaneous, you get the idea, you are considered self-employed. If you are, leave your comments or questions and I will personally answer them. We all know we have to pay taxes, some more than others. But do you know that the same rules that apply to large corporations could apply to your business? No, it's not about tricks that I know or software magic. It's written in the law. But I get it. No one has time to read those IRS forms. That's why you have me. I have read all of those boring and complicated forms so that you don't have to. Let's get into the 5 reasons you overpay taxes every year. Number 1. You think it's a yearly thing. As a self-employed taxpayer, you are the boss. The IRS considers you a business owner. And because of that, you have more responsibilities than when you are an employee. Some of those responsibilities include estimated quarterly payments, record keeping, and self-employment tax. That's why you can't be like everyone else and wait until April rolls around to begin thinking about taxes. If you do, you will pay for it. Number 2, you don't manage your books. Most self-employed taxpayers tend to blame the tax code for the hours of preparation required to file their taxes. Yes, the tax code is complicated, but for folks like Mark Cuban, Elon Musk, Donald Trump, and Bill Gates. But for most of us, the tax code is written at the middle school reading level. If you spend 15 minutes or less per week managing your books, you will be ready to file your return in minutes come tax time. Instead of spending hours searching for every receipt or transaction from the prior year on April 15. Check out our free tool, Iugo Books. It is designed for freelancers and small business and startups. Remember, taxes aren't complicated. We, self-employed, just sometimes make them complicated. Number 3, you don't plan. Most of us in the small business world have the same tax deductions that are available for larger corporations. But this requires planning and lots of paperwork. Is it worth it? Go to my website and schedule a call with me to see how you could save over $7,000 in taxes this year. Number 4, you run your company as a self-employed. Sure, if you're an Uber driver or in the delivery world, you don't have a company. You are part of the gig economy. But if you provide a service or sell goods, you could be leaving money on the table every year. Even if you are a one-man band, you can incorporate your company and begin to reap the benefits that bigger corporations do. But let's be clear, this process is not just about having the LLC or Inc. after your name. Part of obtaining the benefits is complying with all required yearly paperwork. Iugo can help with this. And number 5, you love giving free money to the IRS. Okay, probably this isn't true, but if you don't take action after watching this, you will prove me right. If you need help with your taxes, books, or want to create a plan to save on taxes, check out my company Iugo. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below, follow us, tell other people about it, like it. Thank you very much.